Good morning, students. Take page number 42. Skill time 3. Zero gravity training. Since there is no gravity in space, movement can be difficult to control. We all know that in space there is no gravity, so we will float in the sky and it is very difficult to control ourselves. Hence, you might often find an astronaut in a tilted or even an upside down position. So here we need to find the position of the astronaut. First activity is, in which direction will the astronaut move according to the following block sequence. So here the first one is start. Start the script from the green flag. Okay, so this is start. Next one is move to the right side. Here the number is 1. So once only we need to move in right side. So first one is start, second one is move right side, and the third one is loop. Runs the script again and again. Okay, repeats forever. So first one is started, second one is right, and the third one is repeat. Here first one is start, second one is move to the left side. How many times? One time. And this is for repeating the task. Quick tips. To move the character more than one grid square, change the number of steps in the motion block. So if I need to move the character for more than 1 or 2 times, so here I need to mention the number as, for example, here I have mentioned as 5. So this block is for moving towards the right side, and this will happen for 5 times because here I mentioned the number of steps is 5. So it will move up to 5 times. Move right side to 5 times. For a complete rotation, turns the character 12 times. So here this is for rotating the character, and this will happen for 12 times because here I have mentioned the number as 12. Okay. Next one is draw lines to match the icons with their names. So here we need to match the icons related to their names. The first one is stop block, change background button, home button, add new character or remove the character. So here they have mentioned as, in a character they had mentioned as it is into mark. So here we need to remove the character. So this is the answer. Remove the character, last one. Next, this icon looks like a home. So here the option is stop block, change background button, home button, add a new character. What is the answer? Home button. Okay. Next one is, the icon looks like plus symbol. So this is used to stop the block or change the background button or add the new character. Add the new character. And the next one is pentagon shaped and it is in red color. So it is stop the block or change the background button. This icon is used to stop the block. And the last one is, the icon is image. So here the one and only option is change the background button. This icon is used to change your background. Okay. Next activities. Which actions will the astronaut character perform using the following script? So this is used to start the script. The next one is used to play the pop sound. Okay, next one is used to play the pop sound, and this is also used to play the pop sound. This is for play the up to here. This block is used to place the pop sound, and this is used to runs the script again and again. Okay, here start. Next one, rotate for one time. And what is the use of this? Can you able to remember? So here the character is here. Then I need to move for upwards and then come to the same place, I can use this icon. Okay, so it will here they have mentioned as 2. Then this character will move to here and then come back to their original location. Okay, and this is used to move rightwards 2 times, move leftwards 2 times, and this is used to run the script again and again. Okay, thank you.